this video, I will show you how to enable Face ID on Exodus Wallet. So first of all, open up your Exodus Wallet app, and from here navigate to the tab all the way at the bottom right. And in here we're going to click on Security. And once we have done that, we can see that we have Secure with Face ID at the bottom. And you can only do this if you add a passcode to activate Face ID protection. So in order to do this, you need to click on Secure with Passcode first, and then you need to be sure that you have this enabled. So let's go ahead and do that first. Click on the slider, and now we can create your passcode. And if you're doing this for the first time, it will ask you to make a backup first. And that basically means that you need to store your recovery phrase somewhere in a safe spot so that you can access it always by yourself to be able to restore your account at any time. So to back up, go ahead and do that. And then you will be in this screen where you can create your passcode. So I'm just going to enter a passcode and then I will come back to you. So as you can see, I'm right now secured with a passcode, and now the option to secure with Face ID is also available. So if you want to enable this, you're basically going to click on this slider, and now we can secure a wallet without typing our passcode. It will be automatically enabled right now, so we can go ahead and use this at any time we open the app again. So let's go ahead and do that. So right now I'm opening the app again after I've closed it, and as you can see, it will ask us to allow Exodus to use Face ID. So we're going to click on Allow. And as you can see, it will automatically ask us to log in with our Face ID. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I'll see you in the next one.